Hi everyone. Hope everyone's staying safe, washing their hands, and getting a little bit of outside time. This week we've been talking about insects. And how do we know when an insect is an insect? Well, an insect has two antennae, they have a head, they have an abdomen or a belly, and they have a thorax or a bottom. They also have 6 legs. And yesterday we read a story about a spider. Does anybody remember how many legs a spider has? Well, they have 8, so they can't be an insect. We've also been talking about what insects eat. Well, just like us, some of them eat plants, like Mr. Sean, or they eat other bugs or things like that. We've also been talking about, we're going to talk today about their life cycles. Now, we were all born in mommy's belly. We all came from mommy's belly, and some other animals are born like that too. But insects are born in eggs. Now, there are some other things that we know that are born in eggs, like birds. Birds, turtles, things like that are born in eggs. And today, we're going to talk about caterpillars, or a butterfly's life cycle. So they start off as eggs on their own little leaves, and then they come out on their little caterpillars. Now I'm hoping that some of you have this book at home, but there is a book that shows us better illustrations than this. Then they go into something called a chrysalis. And what is a chrysalis? Chrysalis is like a big giant blanket for a caterpillar so that it can metamorphosis into a butterfly. So at first they come out and their wings are all wet and they need to dry off. And once they dry off, they turn into a butterfly. Now I'm sorry, my Very Hungry Caterpillar book is in disarray, or it's in bad shape. So I'm not going to be able to read that, but I thought we could do a project today. So our project today is going to be about symmetry. What is symmetry? Symmetry is when something is on one side and is on the other. And butterflies are symmetric. So we have one wing that looks just like the other thing. And I know our butterfly's nose looks a little silly, but that's actually not his nose. That's his proboscis. Butterflies' mouth are like straws, and they use them to suck the nectar out of flowers. So our project today, I'm sure some of you have markers, some of you may have paint, but we're going to be symmetric with this butterfly. So we're going to draw a pink circle on this side. That means we have to draw a pink circle on this side. I'm going to draw a purple triangle on this side, so I have to draw a purple triangle on that side. I'm going to come in with an orange square there. So I have to draw an orange square there. And last, I've got green. And now you all know that I cannot draw a star. So Mr. Sean's not even going to try. Let's do a heart instead. Get a heart there. And a heart there. So that word again is symmetrical. So whatever is on one side, it's always on the other side. I hope you guys are doing okay and staying safe. I miss you, and I hope this is an easy project you guys could at least try at home. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.